Hello everyone, welcome back to CSAP IS Academy. Azi amar third session of 100 topics from Assam Tribune only for upcoming APSC CC Viva. তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে আমি প্ৰমিস কৰিছিলো 12টা সেশনত আমি over 100টা টপিকস লৈ আনিম 1 year Assam Tribune specific current affairs. আৰু ইয়াতে অকল অসম স্পেসিফিক নহয় বাট এন্টায়াৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্ট নেশনাল লেভেলৰ যিমানখিনি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নিউজ আছিলে কভাৰ হোৱা আসাম ট্ৰিবিউনত এণ্ড ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল ৰিলেশ্যনছৰ এভৰিথিং উইল বি কভাৰ্ড ডিউৰিং দোজ 12 সেশনছ চ' আজি আমি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ আজিৰ সেশনটো দিছ ইজ আৱাৰ IGP, that is Interview Guidance Program. So, in this program, we have covered two components. Eta hoise mock interview, antu hoise ebar jitu ami notunke add korisu, and that is the one-on-one mentorship program. Tomake bhaibo param one-on-one mentorship program to ki hoy? Jikhini aspirants ebar viva appear hoba, tumalke ahi goisa amar pai mentorship to loi goisa, tumalke gom paisa a mentorship to kiman important hoy, and this is going to help you not just gain the confidence during the mock interview but also tumalkor final interview goi pele tumaluke hekhini kotha jodi follow kora monot rakha hekhini bostu tetia hole tumaluke definitely nijor jikhini reorientation lage ba better at approach lage hetu tumaluke anibo pariba one on one mentorship mane ami ki bujisu yate so mock interview tumalukok amar jigijon revered panelists members ase teuluke tumalukok questions koriba and you know the entire main APSC CC Viva that is replicated under the mock interview initiative kintu a one on one mentorship to tumalukok ki dibo tumalukor bhitor jekhini fear thake inhibitions thake jekhini tumaluke maybe kobat address koribole olop konkuch hoa ba tumalukor hesitation hoy hekhini bostu khuli pele prakash koribole even during the mock interviews hey part to ami cover korisu under the one on one mentorship so etu tumalkor one stop solution hobo this IGP current affairs session, that is the 12 sessions for APSC CC Viva. Now amar IGP session tot Robin Kalita sir and Nripa Fukonn sir amar esteemed panelist hoy ebarar karone. Robin Kalita sir, as we all know, tekhet former director asil IRCTC, former external member, APSC interview board panelist asil tekhet. Aru Shri Nripa Fukonn sir, he was the retired joint secretary, Ministry of Defence. Etu amar hoy ase ongoing program hoy IGP, and you all are most welcome to come and get the most required guidance from our esteemed mentors aru eulukor bohu bosoror pra etialeke mentorship di ahise tumalkor nisna aspirants and gutekhini aspirants jiman khini teulukor pra guidance paise definitely hetu koboi na lage ami kiman khini teuluke upokrito hoise aru tar bahireu jitu moi matro mention korilu amar one on one mentorship hetur through di pela tumalke nije buji paba je hetu psychological aru emotional levelot tumalkor kobat jodi kiba ta blockage ase kobat jodi tumalkor kiba ta advice lage jitu etialeke tumalke anubhav koribo para nai but interview dinakhon goi pela ami gom pau that yes mur ekhini bostut kobat moi stuck ho ekhini bostut mur thought to clear nohoy ba mur mental clarity to iman beshi strong nohoy jodi moi hekhini samoyt এই মেন্টৰশিপটো ললো হয় বা যদি মই হেখিনি সময়ত অলপ কভাৰ পৰা গাইডেন্স ললো হয় বা কথাই পাতিলো হয় খুলি পেলাই তেতিয়া মেবি আজি মোৰ ফাইনেল ইন্টাৰভিউ দিনাখন মই আৰু বেছি নিজকে ষ্ট্ৰংলি এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব পাৰিলো হয় মোৰ নিজৰ তিনিবাৰ APSC ভাইভা এপিয়াৰ হোৱা অভিজ্ঞতা আছে আৰু মোৰ এটো বিশ্বাস হয় যে আমাৰ যেটো এই প্ৰগ্ৰাম আমাৰ সকলোবোৰ মেম্বাৰ্স of CSAP IS Academy we all are experienced in this exam and also UPSC. So, ami ekhini experience loi pelai jekhini hikisu, we want to extend it to all of you. That is the only vision that we have, and we are sure that through this initiative, you are going to feel the benefit, you are going to get the benefit of our vision. And যেতিয়া আমি vision বুলি কওঁ আমাৰ প্ৰাইম ইয়াৰ যেটো যেনেকে ঘৰৰ মুৰব্বী হয় ন হেনেকে আমাৰ মেইন যোন পাৰ্সন হয় CSAP ফ্যামিলি ৰাজদীপ লেখাৰু sir and all of us আমি তেখেতৰ এই visionটো execute কৰিবলৈ এবাৰ we are all steadfast and we are all very firm in our belief that it's a collective belief that we have that yes, this approach is definitely going to help you in this exam, in this last leg of the APSC examination. Or তোমালোকে এইটো step, a last hurdle to definitely বহুত ভাল flying colors এৰে pass কৰি ওলাবা. Now, coming to our crash course, our crash course launch date to তোমালোকে খুব সোনকালে তাৰ dates খিনি গম পাবা and what are you going to get in the crash course? 10 smart books for prelims and these books you are going to get in both English and Assamese আৰু এইখিনি exam ready books হ'ব. Personalized mentorships পাবা যেটো মই মাত্ৰ mention কৰিলো personalized mentorship a one-on-one mentorship for the viva same বস্তু তোমালোকে আমাৰ course বিলাকতো লাভ কৰিবা 15,000 MCQ test series you are going to get. Just imagine তোমালোকে prelims or কাৰণে revision is the key বুলি কয় ন so revision কৰিবলৈ we need lots of questions আৰু best quality questions আৰু তোমালোকে এটা জায়গা এই গুটে questions খিনি যদি পাই যোৱা তোমালোকৰ কিমান টাইম বাচিব কিমান এনাৰ্জি বাচিব so the best approach to crack prelims in your first attempt or in your next attempt is going to be to practice more and to keep your sources limited and also stick to one such source য'ত তোমালোকে গুটেখিনি comprehensively পোৱা daily newspaper analysis যেটো আমি কৰি গৈ আহিছো আৰু আগলৈও কৰি যাম and অকল newspaper analysis নহয় আমি Assam specific weekly current affairs plus এতিয়া আমি Assam Tribune specific যেখিনি current affairs হয় 1 year or হেখিনি আগলৈ লৈ আনিছো and আগন্তুক সময়তো আমি আৰু হেনেকুৱা innovative approach লৈ পেলাই current affairs series তোমালোকলৈ আনি থাকিম and this is about our prefit initiative again prelims specific yet 15,000 MCQ test series আমি cover কৰি আছো one stop prelim solution হয় এটো APSC UPSC দুইটা এক্সামৰ কাৰণে এটা আছে free initiative আনটো আছে paid initiative free initiative underত 3,000 MCQs আমি cover কৰি গৈ আছো YouTube every day MCQ elimination technique তোমাক আমি দেখাই দিছো through the YouTube live sessions explanation থাকিব প্ৰত্যেকটো অপচনৰ আৰু হে explanation খিনি বা তোমাকৰ revision to বহুত বেছি optimize হৈ যাব test series not included and CSET not included under the free initiative যদি আমি paid initiative to কথা কম 12,000 MCQs মানে 12,000 plus ধৰি লোৱা MCQs থাকিব আৰু ক'ত avail কৰিব পাৰিবা আমাৰ CSAP application ডাউনলোড কৰি তোমালোকে এই গুটেখিনি পাই যাবা MCQs 12,000 plus 120 full length test series আৰু এই test series খিনি unique element to হৈছে categorize কৰা হৈছে questions বিলাকক easy medium আৰু difficult levels full length and sectional tests থাকিব তোমালোকে নিজৰ preparation level অনুযায়ী নিজকে টেষ্ট কৰিব পাৰিবা whether you are in the beginner stage or you are in the intermediate stage or you are in the advanced stage plus তোমালোকে sectional test দিব বিচাৰা নে full length test দিব বিচাৰা এই গুটেইখিনি তোমালোকৰ নিজৰ preference অনুযায়ী তোমালোকে attempt কৰিব পাৰিবা আমাৰ CSAP app টোতে solutions with explanations দিয়া থাকিব and here you will get the CSET as well so a prefit initiative to উপৰ তোমাকৰ যদি আৰু কিবা জানিব লগা থাকে you can call us on this number আৰু আমাৰ app টোত তোমাকে visit কৰিলে you will get the entire information and this is the link this is the QR code through which you can download the CSAP application now this is the content for today's session which is the third session for the Assam Tribune current affairs analysis for upcoming APSC CCE Viva jot ami 100 plus topics cover korim Ashari Kandi's Terracotta Maestro Dhirendranath Pal bags Assam Gaurav Award yat ami sam kali jehetu kali ami janeke Ashari Kandi art 2 upor ami saisilu craft 2 upor azi ami sam সেই ক্ৰাফ্টৰ লগত জড়িত হৈ থকা এজন ফেমাছ পাৰ্চনেলিটি Center flags unlawful forest diversion in Hailakandi, Geliki questions Assam government. এতিয়া চোৱা Sustainable development এটা বহুত important topic হয় আৰু এবাৰ APSC CC ভাইভাত তোমালোকে expect কৰিব পৰা questions and Assam specific তোমালোকে কি কিছুমান examples quote কৰিব পৰা বা তোমালোকক situation based এটা questions দিব তাৰ পৰা তোমালোকে কেনেকে এই example টো quote কৰিব পাৰিবা this we are going to discuss today the Odyssey of an Indian journalist by veteran journalist NVR Swamy so এই বুকখন কিহৰ ওপৰত হয় আমি হেতু অলপ চৰ্চা কৰি লম because এটো তোমালোকক question আহিব পাৰে APSC interviewed এটা pattern আছে যে খুব কিতাবৰ ওপৰত সোধা হয় আৰু যিখন কিতাপ বহুত বেছি নিউজত আছে in the last 6 months to 1 year সেই কিতাপবিলাকৰ ওপৰত আমি অলপ চাই যোৱা ভাল হয় veteran actress Gyanoda Kakoti so তেখেতৰ ওপৰত আমি অলপ চাম কিহৰ কাৰণে তেখেত নিউজত আছিল since 2014 1.73 lakh hectares of forest land diverted from infra projects center ekwamote and MOU signed was to upgrade 354 tea garden hospitals tea garden areas of hospital upgradation karone jekhini initiatives loa hoise largest airy silk spinning mill in northeast opened at Khorwajan etu ami sabo lagibo and wildlife under siege Assam development projects trample habitats ignore conservation yat ami keneke animal corridors bur harm hoise because of the development steps taken by the government hetu sabo laibo major boost on states renewable energy khetrot Assam government aru ki dangor steps loise hekini sam Raumari Dondua emerges as potential Ramsar site আমি জানো নৰ্থ ইষ্ট দুটা ৰামসাৰ সাইট আছে দীপৰ বিল আৰু লোকটাক লেক সো এগিটাৰ বাহিৰে আৰু কি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট এটা প্ৰমিসিং সাইট আছে যেটো ৰামসাৰ সাইট হিচাপে আইডেন্টিফাই হ'ব পাৰে সো দ্যাট উই আর গোইং টু সি Major boost on states' renewable energy. Raumari Dondua emerges as potential Ramsar sites. Ami janu je Ramsar sites bu kiman important hoy, kiman important actually natural heritage hoy. At a regional karone, ekhon state or karone janeke north east or bohutu Ramsar sites ase heneke Raumari Dondua ekhon eta emerging promising bill hoy, wetland hoy, jikhon Ramsar site hisabe identify hua qualities kini ase. The first topic is Dhirendranath Paul Beggs Award. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced the Assam Gaurav Award for Dhirendranath Paul, honoring his decades of work in preserving kihor karone paise Assam Gaurav Award to aru ami janibo laibo Assam Gaurav Award to ki hoy amar jitu third highest civilian award hoy Assam hetu kihor karone pai traditional terracotta art karone paise exceptional performance in art literature eblagor karone pua hoy aru dekhete paise traditional terracotta art karone kuntu art Ashari Kandi Thubri region thaka lineage of artisan tekhet janmo hoisile tekhete modernize korise aru tekhetor primary contribution to ki hoy that he has modernized the craft transition from traditional toys to sophisticated items prothomote ami janu je jetu hatima putul ba hatima doll hoy hetu hoise main hallmark Ashari Kandi terracotta art কিন্তু তেখেতে হেতুৰ পৰা মডাৰ্নাইজো কৰিছে আৰু সফিষ্টিকেটেড আইটেমছ বনাইছে কিহৰ কাৰণে গ্লোবাল ৰেলেভেন্স টু আনিবলে এই আৰ্টটোৰ যাতে ডাইভাৰ্সিফাইড প্ৰডাকশন হ'ব পাৰে এণ্ড ক্যাপচাৰ কৰিব পাৰে ন্যাশনাল এণ্ড ইউৰোপিয়ান মাৰ্কেটছবোৰ প্ৰিভিয়াছ ৰেচিপিয়েণ্ট তেখেতে বকুল বন এৱাৰ্ডো পাইছিল 2005ত and his work is renowned for its Hiramati clay to কাৰণে যেটো আমাৰ ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ বেচিনত থকা clay তাৰ পৰা হে হিৰামাটি to extract কৰা হয় আৰু হেতু কাৰণে red color হয় এই terracotta clay art to craft to it is and unique designs like the iconic Hatima Putul mother child elephant doll elephant ear thaka nisna it's a mother child elephant doll beyond his personal art Pal's mentorship has transformed. It is tekhetor contribution okol modernize but diversify kora nohoy national European markets capture koribole, but also economic stability tekhete provide korise, livelihood, sustainable livelihood opportunities provide korise. That means employment generation through his mentorship. His leadership helped prevent the decline of the profession. Aru a profession to herai goisile, bilupto hoi goisile, aru he bostutu finally tekhete revive korbo parise through his efforts, relentless efforts, and prevent korise the decline of the profession, encouraging younger generations to embrace terracotta as a viable and prestigious career path. So A2 at a career path hisabe agbaibo parise younger generations keni. The award underscores the government's commitment to protecting Assam's folk genius, ensuring that ancient techniques like pit firing, যেটো তোমাৰ মাটি খান্দি পেলাই তাতে জুই ধৰি পেলাই পটটোক শেপ দিয়া হয়, কালাৰ দিয়া হয়, different patterns দিয়া হয়, সেই pit firing technique to use কৰা হয়. It is very traditional. Our organic elements use কৰে তাতে, different patterns or color add কৰিবলৈ. Natural clay glazing remain relevant in the modern world. So it's a modern to wheel based pottery হয়. এতিয়ালৈকে এই যেটো natural clay বা natural যেটো আমাৰ handmade pottery asile hetue replace kora nai, hetuk replace kora nai wheel based pottery. It is next topic to swa, forest diversion flat. At a standoff mane a kind of dispute has emerged over the unlawful diversion of reserve forest land at Hailakandi and Geleki for non-forest use. Ami yate Barak Valley kotha koi asu. Kihor karne forest land khini non-forest user karne divert kora hoisile at a commando battalion construction or karne jitu karne center e highlight korise that this is not according to the Forest Act. So the union minister or ministry confirmed that the activities are gross violation boli koise kihor amar jintu one adhiniyam hoy or one adhiniyam to actually updated upgraded amar jitu Forest Act asile hekru hoy kihor karne korise conservation otseo ami aru ekhuj upor jabo bisarisu through this upgradation aru conservation oporo ami ki koribo bisarisu ami keneke modernize koribo paru, ami keneke নতুন নতুন innovative ways আনিব পাৰো so that sustainable development ফলে আমি আৰু আগবাঢ়িব পাৰো. The center clarified that the state had no authority to clear forest land without prior permission from central government. It is so. Jetia center clarify korise that state or authority nasle clear koribole land center permission nohuake because Forest Act ki koy center permission lagibo. Jodi state to ami kiba ta forest land non-forest user karne divert korbo goi asu, we'll need the clearance from center. Kintu center e yat amak allegation dise that ami hetu bostu nokorilu. Now the center is taking an action taken report against the PCCF MK Yadav, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force, june hekhini region or asile Barak Valley, june allegedly permission disile authority nohuake. Our authority kor pra ahibo, center or pra ahibo according to the Forest Act. While the center demands accountability, center hetu karone ki bisarise accountability bisarise from whom? The state government and that particular officer PCCF. The state government maintains that the officer acted in bona fide mane tekhetor কোনো ধৰণৰ ইয়াতে bad intention বা mal intention নাছিলে for forest protection and refuses to take action. তেখেতে forest protection কাৰণে আগবাঢ়িছিলে. He had no intention to destroy the forest land and hetu karone state government ekku action nono boli koise against that particular officer. So etu loi pla ami dekhisu ta federal deadlock hoise. Amar federalism means the powers are divided between the center and the state. Ta uporiu ami quasi federal hoy because amar tilt eta ase towards the center. Jodi deadlock hoy tete hole center jetu koise hetue hodai uphold hob. Now federal deadlock mane yat center aru state or majot eta dispute ho dekha goise aru state refuse korise center e kwa mote action lobole against this officer. Despite a 45-day deadline expiring, the state has yet to submit the required report to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Regional Office State Government of 45 day notice period দিয়া হৈছিলে যে এই অফিচাৰজনৰ কণ্ডাক্টৰ ওপৰত এখন ফুল ডিটেইল ৰিপৰ্ট লাগে কিন্তু হেখন দিয়া নাই ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে সো ইউ মাইট গেট এ কোৱেশ্চন যে ফেডাৰেলিজমৰ ওপৰত যদি কিবা এটা কোৱেশ্চন পোৱা তাত তোমালোকে এইটো এটা কেছ ষ্টাডি হিচাপে বা ৰিচেণ্ট অসমত যেটো হৈছে ইন টাৰ্মছ অফ অৰ উইথ ৰেসপেক্ট টু সাস্টেইনেবল ডেভেলপমেন্ট তাত তোমালোকে এইটো হাইলাইট কৰিব পাৰিবা আৰু কোট হৈছে বাৰাক ভেলিত হৈছে এখন চোৱা থাৰ্ড টপিকটো ইটস এবাউট এ বুক The Odyssey of an Indian Journalist মানে এই বুকখনৰ পৰা তোমালোকে কি নিব লাগিব I mean what do you have to remember from this particular slide is that যেতিয়া journalist বিলাকে fearless হৈ পেলাই they criticize topics like what topics like casteism communal politics তেতিয়া সেই journalist বিলাকৰ life to তেখেতৰ job to under risk thaka hoy aru hetu ekta example ami ya dekha paisu odyssey mane hoise journey of an Indian journalist most prominently at a memoir hoy kar late veteran journalist NVR Swamy tekhete extensively nijor career to journalism career to cover korise historic events in India and Africa jot tekhete near fatal যেটো প্লেন ক্ৰাশ আছিলে আমাৰ ফৰ্মাৰ প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ যেটো এমাৰ্জেন্সি পিৰিয়ডতে তেখেত আহিছিলে এজ এ প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ মোৰাৰজী দেশাই সৰ তেখেতৰ লগত ক্লোজলি কাম কৰিছিল আৰু তেখেতে কেনেকৈ ক্ৰিটিসাইজ কৰিছিল এমাৰ্জেন্সি পিৰিয়ডটো হে গুটেখিনি কভাৰ কৰিছে পলিটিক্যালি সেনসিটিভ টপিকসবোৰ তেখেতে কভাৰ কৰিছিল ডেডিকেশন টু দেখাইছিলে টু ট্ৰুথ এক্ৰছ ডাইভাৰ্স পলিটিক্যাল ল্যান্ডস্কেপ উই টকিং এবাউট দ্য জাৰ্নালিষ্ট এণ্ড The challenging transformative journeys of many Indian journalists. Odyssey of an Indian journalist, a title to bujai je India journalism to bahut difficult hoy hetu tekhete actually eta message dibo bisarise transformative journey hoy bahut journalist bilakor janeke fictional account in Bridges Beyond Borders or real life struggles for truth telling as journalist Gauri Lankesh's story. Gauri Lankesh an journalist asle Bangalore based june casteism or communal politics or against a mata karne tekhetok murder kori dia hoisile so NVR Swamy the veteran journalist he also celebrated the legacy of another journalist like Gauri Lankesh jodi journalism opor ahe jikono question tumaloke ba media as the fourth state of democracy that tumaloke etu highlight koribo pariba okay as the example next another article on forest. So, over 1.73 lakh hectares of forest land were approved for non-forestry purpose. Again, diversion of forest land for non-forestry purpose. Agoto ami ki dekhislo eta battalion commando battalion construction or karne aru etu ami sai so for what for other infrastructural projects. Industrial projects, for example, defense corridors hoy gol, industrial corridors hoy gol, okay, or any other commercial setup, establishment. Massive surge hoise recently, a clearance bilakor, kihor karne clearance bilakor massive surge hoise because we need more infrastructural projects. Aru 150% increase hoise between 2014 to 2023. Last 9 to 10 years we have seen a lot of clearances for this diversion. Aru a diversion process kora hoise under the Forest Act or hey Forest Act to under ki kwa hoisile center e he clearance to dibo by approval to dibo diversion or karne aru hetuk rename kora hoy gol as the Van Sanrakshan evam Samvardhan Adhiniyam mane conservation or beyond goi pelai ami carbon neutrality achieve koribo bisari asu keneke sustainable development afforestation compensatory afforestation reforestation ebilak steps loi pelai okay next sobotse beshi ami kenuka dhৰণৰ projects karone forest land bu divert howa dekhisu mining hydropower projects bilakor karone leading drivers asile ebilak in the last 9 to 10 years accounting for approximately over 40,000 hectares just remember it this way and over 40,000 hectares respectively for both mining and hydropower over 40,000 hectares respectively etu pra ami gom paisu that we are focusing on what? We're focusing on building our strategic autonomy, on strengthening our indigenization and local manufacturing, and also on increasing our self-reliance in terms of clean energy. Significant land was diverted for connectivity and utilities, including roads, again for connectivity, so that logistics cost আমি কমাব পাৰো, connectivity আৰু বেছি strong কৰি পেলাই, আৰু grid systemত আনি পেলাই, যদি আমি grid systemত we have better connectivity, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি supply chain disruption বোৰ কমাব পাৰো, বা supply chain যিবোৰ cost হয়, সেই cost বোৰ আমি কমাব পাৰো। সেই cost কমালে কি হ'ব? অকল আমাৰ national levelত আমাৰ domestic demand নামাৰে, তাৰ বাহিৰেও আমি export oriented আমি growth কৰিব পাৰিম, য'ৰ পৰা আমাৰ যিবোৰ special economic zones, hey special economic zones বিলাকৰ আমি utility পাম। Other notable diversions included defense projects and the conversion of forest villages into revenue villages. This was forest village বিলাক forest departmentor underত থাকে, আৰু revenue villages বিলাক revenue departmentor underত থাকে। Revenue village বিলাকে বেছি access পায় to what? To land rights and public services, আৰু হেতু কাৰণে forest lands বোৰ villages বোৰ কেনেকে revenue village লৈ convert কৰিব পাৰে, হেতু কাৰণে বহুত বেছি clearance দিয়াটো actually বিচাৰে government। Next topic is about Gyanoda Kakuti, pioneering radio announcer asle, so you might expect a question on this personality। Accomplished actress asil tekhet 93 years of dhukaise, kod dhukaise, Shillongot dhukaise, and Akashwani Guwahatir prothom female announcer asile, just remember this, Akashwani Guwahatir prothom female announcer asile। tekhetor acting journey to start hoisil kontur movie pra, Parghat movie khonor pra, আৰু subsequently tar pisot tekhete Bengali productions bilakotu act korise। Notable movie এখন আসলে পুবেৰুণ, পুবেৰুণখন 1959 post independence release হৈছিল, আৰু director আসলে Bengal based Calcutta based এজন director Prabhat Mukherjee। And it was the first Assamese film selected for the Berlin International Film Festival। This is very important। তোমালোকে চাগে প্ৰিলিমছৰ কাৰণে এখিনি পঢ়িছিলা facts, quickly আমি ৰিভাইজ কৰি লৈছো ইয়াতে, so that মেইনছত যদি question আহে Gyanoda Kakutir ওপৰত তোমালোকে কি জানা কোৱা অলপ, you can give these points। তেখেত accomplished actress আছিলে, pioneering radio announcer আছিলে, প্ৰথম female announcer আছিলে Akashwani Guwahatir, আৰু লগতে তেখেতৰ এখন famous movie আছিলে পুবেৰুণ, যিখন Berlin International Film Festivalৰ কাৰণে select হৈছিলে, আৰু প্ৰথম অসমীয়া movie আছিলে। Then Assamese cinema তেখেতে বহুতো তোমাৰ contribution দিছে, prestigious recognition পাইছে তেখেতে, including the Vishnu Rabha Award from the Assam government in 2002। আৰু এইটো কিহৰ কাৰণে পাইছে? অসমীয়া art, literature আৰু cultureত contribute কৰাৰ কাৰণে পাইছে। এখেত আছিলে late Gyanoda Kakuti। Next, MOU signed হৈছে upgrade কৰিবলৈ 354 tea garden hospitals। Assam government sign কৰিছে MOU tea garden managements বিলাকৰ লগত, কিহৰ কাৰণে? Upgrade কৰিবলৈ 355 tea garden hospitals to Ayushman Arogya Mandirs। It is from India's national initiative হয় এই Ayushman Arogya Mandirs বোৰ transform কৰিবলৈ sub centers into comprehensive primary healthcare facilities। আৰু কিহৰ কাৰণে এইটো কৰা হৈছে? because আমি জানো যে যিবোৰ tea estates থাকে, tea gardens থাকে, তাত বহুতো lack of awareness হয় among the tea garden laborers, আৰু তাতে বহুত তেওঁলোকৰ disease হয়, যেনেকে anemia, high maternal neonatal mortality rates থাকে, malnutrition থাকে, diabetes থাকে। so এই গোটেইবোৰ disease, এইবোৰৰ মূল কাৰণ হৈছে lack of awareness। তেখেতৰ শিক্ষাটো ইমান বেছি নাই, তেখেতৰ nutrition বহুত বেছি নাই, আৰু হেতু কাৰণে health care to strong কৰা তাতে আৰু improvise কৰা it's mandatory, যাতে আমি আমাৰ tea garden laborers বিলাকৰ human rights খিনি ইয়াতে protect কৰিব পাৰো। and that is why MOU sign কৰিছে অসম government tea garden managements বিলাকৰ লগত। additional diseases যেনেকে TB, tuberculosis, diarrhea, এইবোৰ বহুত বেছি significant concern হয় তেওঁলোকৰ, আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ কিছুমান practices আছে, যেনেকে তেওঁলোকে red teeth salt add কৰি পেলাই লাল চাহত নিমখ add কৰি পেলাই খালে তাতে তোমাৰ it leads to it's one of the major reasons এটো কাৰণে anemia হয় tea garden laborers বিলাকৰ মাজত আমি এটো কাৰণে anemia count to বহুত বেছি high পাওঁ plus significant concern due to inadequate healthcare infrastructure and poor hygiene so yate wash initiative to ami implement koribo jodi jao tete hole prothom amok awareness lagibo that is water and sanitation hygiene next largest airy silk spinning mill in northeast open at Kharwa Jan it is integrated textile park jetiai textile park boli tumaloke pabano yet monot rakhiba it is about commercialization it is about economies of scale plus export potential boost koribole okay এই তিনটা বস্তু ইয়াত সোমাই থাকিব যেতিয়া টেক্সটাইল পাৰ্ক ইন্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল পাৰ্ক এনেকুৱা কিছুমান তোমালোকে টাৰ্মছ পাবা Kharwa Jan ক'ত হৈছে this is in the BTR region set up by the Northeastern Handicrafts and Handloom Development Corporation the plant covers an area of তোমালোকে এইখিনি জানিব নালাগে কিমান area cover কৰে but just know that it is a milestone achieved কিহৰ কাৰণে because যদি আমি অসমৰ silk industry টো কথা কওঁ silk industry টো আমাৰ cultural plus আমাৰ economic plus natural heritage তিনটাৰ heritage ভিতৰত পৰে and এনেকুৱা এটা step যেতিয়া government লৈছে that means what now sufficient integrated approach will be possible in this sector it is the largest airy silk spinning mill in the northeast with 960 ring frame spindles so yate ki hobo bulk production hobo yate research kora hobo R&D hobo yate skill development training centers thakibo and then eta organized form of production hobo and a production capacity of 450 kg per day next topic wildlife under siege so habitat fragmentation mane ki hoy jibilak animal habitats thake he habitats pur nohua hoi jwa insensitive developmental activities again it was a question hoy amar development to sustainable development hoy ne jodi question tumako directly khudhe te ami jitu development agenda rakhisu amar jitu development approach hoy do you think that it is sustainable তেতিয়া হলে তোমালকে ইয়াতে answer দিব পাৰিবা by using such examples say আমি দেখিছো unfortunately habitat fragmentation হৈছে কিহৰ কাৰণে আমি দেখিছো যে elephant habitats বোৰ নোহোৱা হৈ গৈছে robbing elephants of their space মানে elephant habitats বিলাকৰ কথা কৈ আছো with infrastructure projects cutting through critical corridors that means elephant corridors and animal corridors without exploring viable alternatives মানে viable alternatives আমি explore নকৰাকে we are destroying the existing animal and the elephant corridors Subansiri lower hydroelectric project that is shelf upstream of the vital Duhung Subansiri to interstate Arunachal aru Assam borderot lie kore to and this is about producing clean energy renewable energy but hey renewable energy to produce kobo jaunte are we actually being fair to our wildlife are we actually being able to carry it forward through sustainable efforts then the answer is maybe somewhere we need to improvise upon where by exploring viable alternatives ami keneki improvise koribo parim viable alternatives kesuman explore kori pele so recommendations jibur wildlife institute of india disil wildlife institute of india nodal agency hoy jone recommendations diye jetia wildlife impact hoy through developmental projects tetia environmental impact assessment or upor tamloke koy impact ki hobo elephants and fish downstream jibur thake he bilakor upor kisuma recommendations dia hoise kintu he recommendations khini implement kora yat hua nai so a recommendations khini implement kora hua nai karone threat threaten কৰিছে to sever this interstate link. Hydro peaking dangers. So, peaking. এনেকুৱা এটা টাইম আহিব যেতিয়া এনেকুৱা এটা moment আহে যেতিয়া ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটি ডিমাণ্ডটো বাঢ়ি যায় আৰু সেই ডিমাণ্ড ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ডে টাইম ডিমাণ্ড বেছি হ'লে মানে উই নিড মোৰ ৱাটাৰ চ' ৱাটাৰ ছাপ্লাইটো বেছি লাগিলে ইনক্ৰিজ ৱাটাৰ ফ্ল' হ'ব এণ্ড সেইটোৰ পৰা কি হ'ব ইট ইজ ন'ন এজ দ্য পিকিং হাইড্ৰ' পিকিং বুলি কয় আৰু হাইড্ৰ' পিকিং হ'লে যেতিয়া ৱাটাৰ ফ্ল'টো বহুত বেছি থাকিব ফাইনেলি গৈ পেলাই ডাউন ষ্ট্ৰীমত এনিমেলছবিলাক ফিছ স্পেচিছবিলাক they become they fall under risk. So, create a grave risk of flash flood that could wash away or drown elephants, particularly calves and juveniles, and jiblak baby elephants thake, juveniles thake, and also a threat to the fishes, the fish species. Okay, next. Despite categorical warnings, reports on the ecological impacts of hydropeaking are being ignored by NHPC. NHPC means National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. That he ignore korise, warning this bare bare. Still, NHPC ignore korise and the state government and the National Board for Wildlife. So, every stakeholder involved here is responsible. I mean, a responsibility to okol eta party ga di dibo noaru everybody is responsible railway tracks continue to split pristine habitats like Holongapar Gibbon Sanctuary and the Dipor Bill Ramsar site while polluting oil and coal units operate near the Dihing Patkai rainforest. Etu eta example hoy existing amar keneke development projects bilake amar jikhini wetlands ase jikhini amar rainforest ase সেইখিনিক অলপ হলেও impact পেলাইছে beyond industrial threats vast swaths of habitat are being lost to encroachment অকল industrial development but infrastructure development no encroachment is another threat to our wildlife habitats and human pressure because population বাঢ়িছে এটো কাৰণে crowding pressure to বাঢ়িছে often require court or NGT intervention the National Green Tribunal specifically যেটো organize যেটো constitute করা হয়েছে to tackle issues related to environment and ecology and the projects jiblake impact pelai on the environment so NGT intervention lage to force basic government conservation duties so bare bare government ok accountable help koribole NGT role to ki hetu tomako khudibo pare so please all prepared thakiba okay Next, major boost on states' renewable energy. Assam is on the brink of a power industry revolution. Power industry revolution means ami energy khetrot keneke nijor quantity to optimize koribo bisarisu along with switching to greener energy driven by sustainability innovation and economic growth. The state's power sector has transformed into one of India's most resilient energy infrastructure. It is very important. You can use this directly to answer any question on Assam's developmental steps or Assam's steps and initiatives towards what? Towards clean energy. Assam Power Distribution Company Limited, APDCL, maintained 3 years of uninterrupted 24-hour power supply and earned an A rating in Government of India's 13th integrated rating report. So, ada jodi data di pelai tomake fact di pelai nijor answer to back koribo bisara this you can quote je APDCL eta rank back koribo parise A rating paise in the integrated rating report for 2023-24 financial year. APDCL has secured korise 10th position in the consumer service rating of DISCOMs mane keneke public distribution of APDCL eta bhal performance diaise over the last 3 years hetu tomake cite koribo pariba government reports se highlight korise boli kobo para to further strengthen its energy infrastructure the Assam government has allocated 30,000 crore for projects so 37 new grid substations to expand transmission capacity from 4500 MVA to 15,000 MVA amar kiman dangor eta ami leap loisu bhaba in this sector energy revolution boli hetu karone kobo parisu yat on the generation front Assam is advancing clean energy initiatives jeneke 320 megawatt solar projects in Tezpur and Dhubri, and 120 megawatt lower Kopili hydroelectric project, যেটো যোৱা বছৰ launch কৰিছে. Now, the last topic for the day. Raumari Dondua emerges as potential Ramsar site. There is a demand for the inclusion of the Raumari Dondua wetland. It is what? 1971 Ramsar Convention হৈছিলে আৰু তেতিয়াৰ পৰা আমি জানো যে এতিয়া ইণ্ডিয়াত 94টা Ramsar sites আছে as of November 2025. So Ramsar sites হ'বলৈ আমাক কি লাগিব? এটা unique biodiversity লাগিব, fish species লাগিব, bird species লাগিব, flora species, fauna species লাগিব, right? And hey potential to, according to recent studies, Raumari Dondua wetland de hetu justify korise ba hetu withstand koribo parise, hey jikhini criteria ase, they are able to fall into all those criteria and hetu karone identify hobo pare as the next Ramsar site. The Raumari Dondua wetland complex is an interconnected floodplain marsh ecosystem located within the Lauphua Wildlife Sanctuary. The Lauphua Wildlife Sanctuary, it's a part of what? Kaziranga Tiger Reserve, which forms a part of the Kaziranga Tiger Reserve. Kota ase Nagaon district ot ase, that is Central Assam area to. It serves as a crucial ecological migratory. Suppose, jodi ami area to sound, this is, we're talking about this area, okay? Now, which forms part of the Kaziranga Tiger Reserve in Nagaon district, Central Assam. It serves as a crucial ecological and migratory corridor between the Kaziranga and Orang National Park. So, yate bahut besi ami bird species dekhisu, over 120 plus bird species yate identify kora hoise. Heart of Assam located also because in the Central Assam. The wetlands are embedded within the Kaziranga Orang landscape bordered by the Laukhua and Burasapuri wildlife sanctuaries, both functioning as buffer zones. Buffer zones kiyor karone hoy? Kaziranga Tiger Reservoir logot jitu mazor jitu area buli koy hetu buffer zone buli koy. Covers around 3 square kilometer hoy area to interconnected floodplain marsh terrain hoy, and interconnected floodplain marsh terrain hoy karne Kaziranga logot yar similarity ase in the landscape. Host over 120 species of resident and migratory birds, surpassing counts at Deepor Bill. Deepor Bill aru Loktak Lake or say aru besi exceed kori dise number of bird species. Our total kiman record korise 47,000 plus birds. 47,000 plus birds. Our species kiman 120 species, both resident and migratories. Aru Raumari Bilot kiman paise 20,653 and Donduwat paise 26,000. Besi paise Donduwa Bilot 26,480. Meets 8 of the 9 Ramsar criteria, making it eligible for international wetland recognition. Acts as a habitat, breeding and feeding ground for migratory and threatened avian species. Avian mane bird species or kotha koi ase yat, aru hetu karone it is very much possible that Raumari Dondua Bilok ami Ramsar site hisabe jodi identify kora hoy tetia hole we know the reason is iman khini avian aru migratory bird species yate pua hoise. So this brings us to the end of today's discussion. We are sure tomaloke amar a series khonor pra amar sessions kini pra benefit paisa, and you were finding the relevance for your to back your Viva preparation. Amar smart books khini tomaloke gute khini exam ready format paba information topic wise divided. And once again I'd like to welcome all our aspirants to CSAP IS Academy jate tomaloke benefit uthabo para amar jitu one-on-one mentorship program soli ase aru hetu ami tomalok assurance eta dibo paru je okol tomalok interview ready no, you are going to get all the mentorship which is required even to help you become a more efficient, become a more mentally resilient officer after you clear the interview. So trust us when we're saying that this one-on-one mentorship, etu okol ami, so here I'm standing here today as a faculty, as a tumalkor mentor hisabe aji moi yaat tumalkor kotha khini koi asu. Definitely amar yat nijor eta vision ase. We are running an organization, so definitely it has to be a win-win situation for all of us, right? But একো তোমালোকক আমি এনেকুৱা এটা প্ৰমিছ নকৰোঁ যিটো বস্তুৱে অকল আমাৰ উইন দেখাব বা আমাৰ উইনটো এচিয়ৰ কৰিব আৰু তোমালোকৰ তাতে কোনো লাভ নাথাকিব. It is coming straight from our heart, যিখিনি ইনিচিয়েটিভছ আমি আনিছোঁ, including a one-on-one mentorship. And trust me when I'm saying this, that এই one-on-one mentorshipটোৱে তোমালোকক বহুতখিনি হেল্প কৰিব self awarenessত, self assessmentত, যাতে তোমালোকে ইণ্টাৰভিউ দিনাখন নিজৰ বেষ্ট ফৰ্মত থাকিব পাৰা mentally and emotionally. Okay, so we welcome you to this mock interview session and this one-on-one mentorship through our IGP program. Thank you so much, everyone. All the best, and see you again in the next session. Good night.